Okay. So I've loosened the socket. I've loosened it with the 5/16. I'll just unscrew it by hand. Oh, so now this part's come off. The 5/16. But there's one more screw on the top here. Yeah, that one's not coming out. There we go. All right, so we've taken the 5/16 out from here. Loosen this screw. Oh, wait a minute, there's a nut on the other side. Let's see if I can hold it with my hand as I do it. Huh. It's kind of hard to get to that one because all the wires are in the way. So I'm unscrewing it and just kind of holding the nut at the same time. There we go. All right, so I'm probably gonna drop this inside it. Oh no, I got her. Okay, so there we go. There's another nut at the back. Took that off. Voila, that removes that piece. We're getting there, folks. Geez, if I can do this, anybody can. So now, have a look. We have access to the handlebars. Pretty cool. I imagine I can take these off right now. Well, maybe not. Okay. Hang tight.